Hey y'all, my name is Adina Barnett Miller, but I'm known to my students as Mrs. B. I've been passionate about West Virginia history for as long as I can remember, but my mom would tell you it all started when I was 3 years old and she bought me a West Virginia counties puzzle at Gino's Pizza. I've taught history in Ripley, West Virginia for over 20 years now, and I'm an adjunct professor who teaches college West Virginia history to high school students. Please join me for West Virginia History with Mrs. B, a field trip across the mountain state to walk in the footsteps of those who came before us. Hey y'all, it's West Virginia History with Mrs. B, and we are here at the Helvetia restaurant in Helvetia, West Virginia for round 2 of eating, and I am joined by 2 of my friends, social studies teachers here in West Virginia. I'm going to have them introduce themselves.
Richard Sikowski. I teach at Grafton High School.
And I'm Brian Ullman. I teach Buchanan Upshur High School.
Yes, and they're both on the West Virginia Council of the Social Studies board with me. Rich is our most recent past president, and Brian is our president-elect, and so they love history like we do, and so we're excited to dive into the Sunday buffet, which is called the Burner Plata, and it is going to be awesome. So we are here to eat the buffet, and we got all kinds of yumminess, including kraut, homemade applesauce. Let's see what we got. Oh, what is that? Is that the onion pie?
That's the onion pie.
That's onion pie. And then we've got the potatoes. Oh my gosh, they're so good. And then Morgen Henalie chicken, right? Sauerbraten.
Brats.
And
Hot
that's
mustard. Sausage.
oh yeah. And then of course the green bean and the carrots. It's gonna be awesome,
The
y'all.
hot mustard is excellent on the brats.
Oh yeah, I had that last night and it's so good, y'all. So it's going to be a good day of eating. And we don't want to forget that table of all that yumminess over there, including cheese and salad. Okay, so this is round 1. This is our first plates that we got. So I got potatoes. I got the buttered carrots. I got the meatballs. Of course, I got Helvetia cheese. This is the curried chicken. It's called Morgen Henalie Chicken. And this is the roast beef, which is the Sauerbraten. So I'm so excited to pull into this. And of course, I got a big bowl of applesauce. So what did you get?
Yeah, so I decided to try a little bit of everything so I'd know what I want more of later. So obviously the salad with the homemade cheese there, which is awesome. The applesauce, all of the meats that Adina got, and then I got the bratwurst as well. So really excited to dig in.
Well, I got pretty much everything that they got except for the potatoes, but I got a dill pickle here, and I already tried a little bit of the apple butter. I'm like, oh, so good. And my first time here, so I'm ready to dig in.
And Dave, what'd you get?
I got all of the meats as well. I got a little bit of potato here hiding under this wheat bread, the carrots, the green beans, and a salad topped with the Helvetia cheese.
Yum. It's going to be awesome, y'all. We will be back with you after we clean our plates. Okay, y'all. We have just eaten our massive fill of Swiss Appalachian food here at the Helvetia. So we're going to tell you what our favorites were, what we enjoyed, and all of that. So Rich, tell us about your food. What was your favorite thing? All that.
Okay, I like the bratwurst. That was really good. I also like the apple butter. That was impressive. Right on the bread there. That was my favorite.
And the apple butter is different than any other apple butter. It's kind of like the applesauce. It's not overly sweet. Like, it still has a good apple flavor. Yeah. So you enjoyed it all?
Oh, yes, I am full too.
Would you come again?
Yes.
Yeah.
Oh, I also enjoyed the Helvetia cheese. So I had plenty of that.
Yeah, me too. 2 days in a row, I've had lots of Helvetia cheese. So I'm really glad you enjoyed it. How about you?
I thought all the food was fantastic. Definitely was able to clean all my plate and then some. Definitely went back for seconds. The sauerkraut was amazing. Obviously the Helvetia cheese is as advertised. It was fantastic. Everything in there was great. I thought that the meatballs were wonderful. Just all of it. So, Adina, how about you?
So I forgot how much I love the Morgen Henalie chicken,
So
which
good.
is the curried chicken. And to me, it's like the perfect level of spice. So I had chicken on both my plates, and I enjoyed that immensely. And I had applesauce on both of my plates. Not a shocker if you've watched this video.
So
I
good.
love the applesauce and the apple butter. I really enjoyed that as well. So everything was delicious. This is something you should definitely come out and experience for yourself if you haven't. And so let's ask the guy behind the camera, what was your favorite thing today?
My favorite thing today, I think both the Morgen Henalie Chicken, it lived up to the hype, and the Sauerbraten, I really liked it. It reminded me a lot of that same cut of beef they use for those roast beef sandwiches you get at the Black Walnut Festival in Spencer,
okay.
like rump roast. It was amazing.
Well, good,
Awesome.
good. And it's a different flavor because it's got like that pickle flavor to it. I don't know how to describe it. It's different, but it's really yummy. It almost reminded me of like Polish food. So, anyways, it was a great day of eating, and we hope you all have enjoyed this video. Thank you for joining us.
Thank you. Bye.
Thanks, y'all, for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe to West Virginia History with Mrs. B on both Facebook and YouTube.